All right, well, the coronavirus causing another massive sell-off on Wall Street. Today, the Dow dropped more than 1,100 points, putting losses for the week at 3,200 points. And it seemed no company was off limits. Even the company working on the coronavirus vaccine took a hit.
So as concern grows about the economic and health threat here in the U.S., Vice President Mike Pence held his first meeting today as the head of the coronavirus task force.
We'll have more on that coming up. But first, there is a positive development to report here in Michigan. Dr. Frank McGeorge is here with what you need to know, Doc.
Yeah, Kim and Devin, starting today, Michigan is able to conduct our own testing for coronavirus at the state lab. Now, the state has not received any specimens for testing yet, but when they do, those samples will not need to go to the CDC first, which should speed up results. Now, the issue of who should be tested and how quickly is just one of the many issues facing the nation's leaders today.
As Vice President Mike Pence takes over the nation's coordinated response to the coronavirus, he tried to reassure Americans
that the full resources of the federal government continue to be brought to bear.
But concern is mounting as the CDC confirms what may be the first U.S. case of community transmission. A person in Northern California who hasn't traveled internationally or had close contact with a known patient.
Maybe they're a traveler who came back, somehow spread it to this person. You mentioned a coffee shop. It's possible, but that means that community spread is happening in the U.S.
The patient was not tested for coronavirus for several days while hospitalized because they didn't meet the strict federal criteria, even though doctors were concerned about the possibility of coronavirus and had requested the test.
I want to know, why it's taking so long to test folks. We've got to get those test kits out to the hospitals and the health facilities that are on the front line.
Alex Azar, the head of Health and Human Services, says more testing is becoming available.
At least 40 public health laboratories should now be able to test using modified existing CDC test kits. In addition, a newly manufactured CDC test can be sent to 93 public health labs as soon as Monday, and there is a privately manufactured test based on the new CDC test that can be sent to those same labs as soon as tomorrow, pending FDA clearance.
Meanwhile, the first human trial for a coronavirus treatment is now underway in Nebraska.
Normally it takes months and months for these trials to be up and running, and now we're talking about weeks.
Now, on another note, the CDC is not recommending that everyone run out and buy face masks, but if you've tried, you've probably noticed they are sold out in most places. In fact, we checked with local hospitals, and so far, none are reporting any shortages. A couple facilities did say, though, their suppliers were limiting their orders to what they had previously ordered, meaning they were not allowed to stock up any at this time.
Yeah, yep. Another day, another development. Here
exactly.
Yep.
Stay tuned.
Yep. Thanks, Doc. Well, our coronavirus coverage continues ahead at 5:30 with Help Me Hank tracking travel trouble because of the virus. Also, how one key word could change the game when it comes to being able to change your travel plans. And then at 6 o'clock, the doctor is back to give you verified answers to your coronavirus questions.
Well, we got